Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. If you want your pillows to have that luxury hotel feel, then you're going to want to get these pillow protectors from Beckham Hotel Collection. I just got a set of new pillows for my guest room, and I want to keep them looking fresh and nice instead of the old dingy pillows that I had in here. I always get so embarrassed if my guests strip the linens and they look at the pillows they were just sleeping on. But these are so beautiful and breathable and soft. They look just like you're staying at a luxury hotel, and they're going to keep your pillows protected and clean. They are this wonderful fabric with this great double edge stitching, 250 plush thread count, and this great zipper that is going to keep your pillows nice and secure. You are going to feel so happy and luxurious sleeping on these. They really are great for all season use, nice and breathable cotton. I am so very happy with these pillow protectors. Keep your pillows looking nice and fresh and hotel quality with these pillow protectors. You're going to love them, and that's my point of view.